So welcome back to my channel, guys. So this is the first video. In this we are going to start the code about our project series. We are creating a simple note-taking project using the Next.js, TypeScript, MongoDB, and all the advanced concepts. So you will get to know or you will learn all the production level stuff inside this playlist only. Okay. So in this video, we are creating our Next.js empty project. Okay. We are going to set up the simple home page. Okay. And in the upcoming videos, we are going to describe it further. So let's dive into it. So I have opened the VS Code in this. Okay, so what you can do, you can go to the terminal and just create a simple Next.js project using the command npx create next app 8 latest. So this will create a project. Okay, and what will be the name of this project? We are going to give it. So the name would be like Note-taking App. TypeScript, we are using the TypeScript because it is going to be a fantastic production grade application or project. We are going to use the ESLint for linting purpose. TailwindCSS definitely. Source, I don't use source directly. If you want, you can use app router, yes, TurboTax, yes. So this application is being created. So in this, we are using the MongoDB Atlas as the database. So our Next.js application is created. So cd to note taking app and open it in the VS Code. So I have opened this project into the VS Code. Okay. So first of all, you can go to the app.app and go to the page.tsx file and remove all these things. In this, we are not much focusing about the excellenting the UIs and all these things. We are using the standard UI libraries like the Shadsi and Material UI or the externality Magic UI and like these. Okay, UIs we are going to use, and this will be an open source project. If you want to contribute it, so you can definitely do it, and we are going to learn more and we can build this together. So I have created this repo, and just let's place an h1 and saying that node taking taking app. Okay, and let's run this. So you can see node taking app. Okay, so we have set up all this application. Okay, so in the upcoming video we are going to look upon how we can connect to the database using the Mongoose and the MongoDB Atlas. Okay, and this is open source. You can give a star into it if you want, and you can fork if you want to start alone, and you can just definitely contribute to it if you want, so you can learn more. So that's all for this video. So I will see you in the next one. Thank you, guys.